Hello, my name is Reynaldo Bernardo Aramin, and I'll be solving a third-order differential equation using Laplace transform. Now, we will write our example. 8y third prime plus 77 secondary prime minus 512 y prime minus 4,928 y is equals to 5 e raised to negative 9t. Now note that Laplace of Laplace of e raised to negative a t is equals to 1 over s minus a. And for Laplace of y is equals to y of s. Now let's proceed to Laplace of prime. So Laplace of y prime is equals to sy of s minus y of 0. And for our secondary prime is s square y of s minus y sy of 0 minus y of 0. And our third prime is s cube y of s minus s square y of 0 minus sy of y prime, and lastly minus y prime y secondary prime is equal to 0. Now let's apply this into our example. So 8 di ba nakita? So ano yun? 8s cube plus y of s minus 1 plus 77 s square y of s minus 512 y of s minus 4,928 y of s. There we go. So is equals to, since this is this one is the Laplace of 1 over s minus s, we'll just have to apply it. 1 over s minus 9. Next, we'll just have to simplify this. As I was saying, we'll just have to simplify this. So this will become 8s cubed plus y 8s cubed y of s, nakalimutan ko, sorry, plus 77s square y of s minus 512 y of s minus 4,928 y of s is equals to 8 over 1 mali pala, this should be 1 over s minus 1, 5 times s minus positive pala yan. So times 5 over s plus 9. So this will become 8s cubed y of s plus 77s square y of s minus 512 y of s minus 4,928 y of s is equals to, multiplying this will become to 8s plus 72 plus 5 over s plus 9. Now the next step is we'll have to use our partial fraction. Note that partial fraction is have to be a over something like s plus 9 plus b s plus 9, something like that, are linear. And to use this, we'll just have to factor this. So in order to do that, we'll just have to group this part into two groups. So this should be no. Kailangan natin munang i-factor itong dalawang group na ginawa natin. So 8s cubed plus 77s square minus whole group muna gawin natin, 512 minus 4,928. So yun na, pwede natin itong factor dalawang group. So this should be 8s plus 77 times s square minus, so pwede na naman natin itong dalawa, pwede natin siyang divide. So in order to see the factor of it, we'll just have to divide a number para makita. Sa nakikita ko, pwede naman siya i-divide into 4. Visible na. So 4,928 divided by 4. So answer, malaki pa naman siya, so pwede naman. Divided into 4, 308. So continue, giging 77 siya. So yung 494 times 4 times 4, 77 ang equal. So 494 times 4 is 64. So let's try to divide 512 into 64. 512 divided by 64. So it's 8. So as ganun nga, nakita natin na pwede siya i-factor by 64. So minus 64 times 8 minus 77. There we go. And our next step is, like, pwede nun ito maging ito, like 8s plus 77 minus s square 64. So pwede pa rin to i-factor itong s square minus 64. So it will be 8s plus 77. So 64 divided by 2. 4. Ay, 8 times 8 naman, 64, diba? 8 times 8. So this will be s minus, no, plus 8 times s minus 8